Shorabet Bandora, or spicy tomato soup with the halloumi sandwich, makes a delicious meal every day, but especially on cold days. Pick and season ripe tomatoes for this. Preheat your oven to 375, then slice tomatoes into quarters and place on a baking tray. Roughly chop some red onions, place on a tray, together with 1 serrano. Season with salt, a little bit of black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Toss to coat and bake for 30 minutes until wilted and slightly charred. Slice an onion into a medium dice, then add olive oil to a pot over medium-high heat and cook the onions for 5 minutes, then add the crushed garlic. The vegetables have cooked by now, add them with their juices to the pot. Season with some salt, some Aleppo pepper, and of course, some black pepper. Add the chicken or vegetable stock and cook for 5 minutes, lower to medium-low, cover and cook for 25 more. In the meantime, fry oregano leaves into vegetable oil for 20 seconds until crispy, season with a pinch of salt. Using a hand blender, blend the soup into a fine liquid. Your soup is now ready. On a heated griddle, cook the sliced halloumi 2 minutes per side until golden. Place the halloumi on one side of the toasted bread, top with some tomato slices, and season with some salt, some black pepper, and some Aleppo peppers. Sprinkle the fresh oregano on top, and then slice into individual portions. Time to serve the soup in individual bowls with a small drizzle of cream and olive oil. Some fried oregano leaves, and a pinch of Aleppo peppers. Dip your sandwich into this yumminess and enjoy.